Hello, sweet friends. Welcome back. Today it's very exciting. Cindy's here with us. This is my friend Cindy, and she also has a heart of gold. She volunteers for Free Spirit Bundle, Free Spirit Designs. We're matching in our Free Spirit Bundle today. We are here on a design install. For those friends that are new, my name is Victoria, and I'm so happy that you're here at the channel. Today's master bedroom makeover. It's so good, you guys. So definitely stay to the end so that you can see the beautiful before and after, and you'll also meet my husband Scott today on install. So if you love anything related to house, you're in a great place because that's what we do on our channel. We do design installs, we talk about just lots of stuff. So we're really excited you're here. So welcome to behind the scenes as an interior designer. We get sweaty and do the hard work here at Free Spirit. Let's go. Let's talk about the before. I'm actually not going to change the room around. The TV's going to stay there. I did buy a larger piece to go under the TV for balance and also more functionality. You can see the ceiling fan. They actually don't use it, so I was so happy that we get to hang a gorgeous chandelier. There will be draperies coming to finish off the space, and of course side tables with functionality of drawers, because as you can see, that's what they currently have. We'll also be grabbing a tall dresser for the corner, of course a new rug and bedding and all the beautiful details. So let's get started on this fun design install. We have to first start, of course, by removing the old bed and the rug. The bed was a challenge. There's actually water in that mattress. It was pretty wild and very heavy. Of course, the rug must go down first. Love this ruggable. It was perfect because they have cats that like to go under the bed, although they can't do that with the new bed. Sneakers are like,
oh, I know,
elementary school. A lot of the items at Free Spirit you can also find on our website, Free Spirit Marketplace. There are a few items today on this job that you could also purchase for yourself for your home. My husband Scott, he's already sweating, working really hard in the room. Wait till you see the wall mural. It's so amazing, you guys. This wall mural, isn't it so good, you guys? This part is always so exciting for me personally because I find this stuff online, and then when it gets here, it's always so much better in person. At least that's what I hope with this. This is a new nightstand in this box, and when you buy from good brands, they pack it really well. I don't know if you guys realize how much trash comes with a design install, and the good news for our clients are that we are full service. So we always unbox, of course, break down the boxes and take away the trash, and then our garbage guys are so kind and they dispose of it for us. Wait till you see this gorgeous light. I was so excited to offer you guys this one at Free Spirit Marketplace. It's so beautiful. So even though this light is a Korean company, on Free Spirit Marketplace, I'm going to save you money. It is so beautiful. There's actually a larger version of this piece as well. I feel like every room needs a showstopper. This is definitely the showstopper. I don't know though, second to that wall mural, which is also a showstopper. I just love everything about this space. You guys, this bed is so yummy. It's amazing and my clients love it and so do I.
When I was a little kid, my mom taught me how to iron. I would iron all the pillowcases. That's what I practiced on.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. I loved it.
Flowers. You guys know we love flowers. Every client needs flowers next to their bedside, so I'll be sure to put these on her side of the bed. I really fell in love with this beautiful vase. I found that beauty at Home Goods actually. So feminine and beautiful. I loved the round bottom and just the details of the base, how it had the etched glass, just so gorgeous. The bed, now the kitties can't go under the bed. I think they might be sad about that, but our clients are so happy about it because the kitties were not so nice under the bed. And their new, well, it's not actually a new mattress. Their old mattress is going to fit perfectly on here. So we're going to start with the bottom piece. And as I told you guys, there's water in the bed. So that was new for us and a challenge, but it all worked out even with the new headboard. Those beautiful lamps, you will find those on Free Spirit Marketplace. I love them so much. And when it comes to bedding, you guys, it's all about the layers. This client requested a duvet, so I made sure we got one with the ties in the corners. That's really important to find a quality one so the bedding doesn't move around, because that can be super annoying. But we also are gonna do a comforter. That way they can layer if they want to. Sometimes you might get hot or cold, so we have a duvet and a velvet coverlet, which you'll see. This dresser is so pretty. I didn't go matchy-matchy with the furniture like they had. They really wanted just something different. And can we talk about how gorgeous these draperies are? Those are from Ballard Design, you guys. You can find them even right now on Ballard. The rug is a ruggable. The bedding came from Anthropologie and West Elm. And those mirrors, you guessed it, you can get those on Free Spirit Marketplace. It's always more fun to make a bed with a friend, and of course it's much easier. My mom taught me how to make those corners like the hospital. So we are going to do the duvet, and then as you can see, we're gonna layer, because that's really what gives you that luxe, yummy designer finishing feel. Kind of like, not a hotel necessarily, but more like a bed and breakfast, because I just feel like bed and breakfast is a little cozier anyway. And I loved the color. It's very feminine, but some of the lines in the room with the furniture are more masculine, and some of the colors. And the husband made decisions with us all along the way, and he was fine with going with a little bit of light pink. We're gonna finish it off with some simple pillows. They did not want a ton of pillows on their bed, so as you'll see, I'm keeping it very simple, but it's still beautiful. So you can see the finish on this dresser. That is what is also going under the TV, but it's just not here yet. Let's see what our clients think of their new space.
Oh, your video thingy? Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. It's stunning. It's stunning. Wow. Yay. Everything marries each other beautifully.
I'm so glad.
Oh my god. Do you like it? Do you love it?
I love it.
Oh my god.
I'm just like obsessed.
It's so gorgeous.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. I hope you loved this master bedroom makeover. We did not keep anything in the space, so I want to hear from you in the comments. What was your favorite part about this space? What do you think made the most impact? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, come back, follow us. We can't wait to hang out with you again next Sunday. So I hope you have an amazing week. Until then, thank you guys for being here. Bye.